Hello, good morning. So we're going today to do the first half marathon. Now, my wife convinced me to do this and I accepted the challenge. We only had 2.5 months for training. So we went to the south of Italy, we trained there. Let's say this is exactly from couch to half marathon, which is 21 kilometers. Now, the maximum we ran so far was 10k. In the training, the maximum run was about 14k, and by bike 43 kilometers. But we've never done 21 kilometers running, so we will see how this one will go. It's not about actually doing the half marathon, but it was the training that comes with it. Now, I had a lot of low moments during the training, and so mindset plays a huge role in the training to become a half marathon runner. So we will see how it goes. I'll keep you posted and I'll do more videos on the way during the marathon, during the half marathon, and then we'll see I'll see you to the end. Right. We are almost ready to start. We have a lot of people behind us and
please be
in front of
mindful
us.
about your waste and use the bins provided.
And we're ready.
We are working with Hamilton
Yes.
Waste Management
What do
to
you want to
achieve
say?
zero waste to landfill for this event.
Good luck,
There are
Olga.
bins at each hydration station and mile marker.
See you later.
Please don't drop. There is now 1 minute until the start of the Scottish Half.
Are you nervous? Can you do it?
Yes.
Good. That's the attitude. And now we have Superman in front of us. It's quite fast. But he has an unfair advantage. He can fly. Olga, where are we?
I don't know.
Mile number 1, 2? No idea. I have a lot of people behind and a lot of people ahead. Let's see how it goes. And we are here, 10 miles, 16 kilometers. Olga,
She looks so
we are almost
You have to see
on the
it.
finish line.
And it feels.
We're there. Look at us! Get there.
Keep going on, July. You're almost there.
Finish! Finish! Man! Scottish half marathon, 13.1 miles, 21 kilometers, done in 1 hour. No, sorry, 2 hours, 27 minutes. Alright, so we just finished the first half marathon. Here is the medal, and Olga,
I have mine too.
here's your medal. So the main reasons why we ran this half marathon was to support cancer research. So we have t-shirt here with cancer research, etc. And there were lots of lovely people running the half marathon.
Really nice atmosphere.
Yeah. So what we learned from this race, Olga? What do you think we learned? What were the biggest lessons?
I think if you set your mind for something, then you have to go for it and believe you can achieve that something.
That's true. So one of our friends, Jane, sent you a text last night and to encourage us, not just you, but also me, because I couldn't run a half marathon in my mind. But the message was very nice, and she said something really important. The 90% was mindset and 10% was body. So in my mind, before this race, it was like the opposite: 90% body, 10% mindset. Reality is the opposite, because when we started, a lot of people started to run quite fast, right?
It was hard to stay back.
Yeah, lots of people overtake you, and then you think, okay, I need to follow them, I need to keep their pace. But that is a common mistake, and lots of our friends, they are already runners, professional runners. They say to us, Don't get caught into the adrenaline of following the more experts straight away, also the less experts, because that is the issue, and then you're going to see them again later on because they're going to walk at some point, which is true. But this time we didn't find a lot of people walking, so it means there were a lot of people trained. At the same time, there are a lot of people behind us, so they were not as trained as the one in front of us. But the beauty was the diversity of people that were running this race, and also the fact that you need to keep steady, so keep your pace, and work a lot on your mind. Try not to connect too much your mind to the pains that you have on the legs, on the muscles, on the knees, on the head, whatever, and try to keep looking ahead. So I was looking ahead, I was looking at the people who says, okay, I want to overtake that person. Now, it might sound silly, but the reason why I was doing that, it was to keep small objectives rather than thinking I have to do 21 kilometers. So just by overtake one person at a time, it means I had my small objective for keeping the pace and continue to increase the number of miles in my legs. Absolutely lots of lessons learned. I think that is one of the main reasons why professional runners, they have a very tight mindset. They have like an open mindset, and they know how to push themselves over the perceived limits. That is one thing. So limits are only perceived until you break them, because the limits is just what you think is your maximum you can do. But when you push yourself above the limit, beyond the limit, then it's not a limit anymore, so you have another one. Now the furthest run we've done so far in a race was 10k, now 21k. So what's next, Olga?
A full marathon, Giuseppe.
42. Okay then, guys, it's been enjoyable. Thank you very much. We got this. Thank you very much, and we feel happy.
And support cancer research if
Yes.
you can, please.
True. Thank you. Bye bye.